monitor on the tab number 3. And at the end, you can see logging, enable logging view. And for example, if I arrange so you can see this is showing me the real-time logging. Okay, my request is coming from 10.1.21.100. It is going to 172.16.21.1, and you can see it is denied. See this? Yeah. Even though the traffic is coming from the higher security level going to the lower security level. Remember the traffic, we have the higher security level 100 here, and this is 50. Okay, this is 50, this is 100. So if my PC is sending the traffic to firewall and I'm sending the traffic to this server, you can see it is denied as of now, even though this should not happen. I can filter. If I do the filter here, click the filter, build a filter, and I'm saying source IP address. Okay, show me only the traffic from the source IP address. Sorry, it's 100. Okay, you can see the TCP, the build outbound connection from this going to this, as you can see, it is what happened. So I just filter myself. You can do show logs, everything. Okay, or so you can see there is a problem as well.
Why is being denied then?
Okay, you tell me. Show all or build filter, apply filter, you can just source this IP only, or you can build the filter as well, destination IP 172.168.21.1. You can see this is the error actually. Okay, look at the diagram now. So what is happening? So what is happening? The traffic is going to the firewall. Firewall is sending the traffic back to this guy, and this guy does not know the route back, because these server, they don't know who is 10.1.21. So that is why we need to enable OSPF routes on this side, and this is as per our diagram. This diagram. In this diagram, we are enabling the OSPF between DMZ and this guy. So how we can enable the OSPF? Network 10.1.21.1 0. And there is no wildcard mask like in Cisco router. Sorry, area 0. And another one, network 172.168.21.0. Show OSPF neighbor. Now you can see we have established a neighbor relationship with the OSPF. This side. Okay. Show route OSPF. you can see I have learned this route now. Okay, my ping is still, let me see the ping is working or not. Ping is still not working. But when I try to, ping will not work. Ping will be blocked by the firewall anyway. Okay, so you see this ping is blocked. But let me just try to. Okay, so let me try to telnet now. So you can see from this machine, I can log into the DMZ router. There is basically a router here. Okay, so we are testing this connection from here, and that's the connection you can see easily on your ASA firewall. Look at this. Okay, so this is it's saying source TCP connection from DMZ. This has been built, and on your telnet show connection command will show you that there is a connection built from the inside to the DMZ side. Okay, and these are the flags. Show connection all will show you what do you mean by UIO as well. Details, right? Show connection detail. Yeah, show connection detail will show you what do you mean by OIA. So as you know, this is the stateful firewall. This is the connection. Show connection. Okay, it shows that TCP connection has been built from this source, and this is the port number, and this is the destination address and the port number 23. If I build another connection, you will see there will be another connection request coming up as well. Okay. Now you can see I have two build two connection. Is it clear? Okay, ICMP will not work because ICMP firewall does not inspect. That is why ICMP will be blocked. Okay. So ICMP is still not working. So you see ICMP is dropped by the firewall. Firewall does not like the ICMP, but there is a reason. But telnet is working. You can also go to the HTTP as well. Open a browser on the test machine, and you will see the traffic is flowing from the inside to the DMZ side without any access list, without any NAT, as long as the routing is there. Come on. So for example, here I can do 20.20.21.1, and you can see yeah, see this. So now you will see I have another connection with the HTTPS this time, HTTP. And in the logs, I can see all these connections. Look. Okay. So this is how you can test your connectivity. So as of now, because we just enable the DMZ, we enable the OSPF here. In this area, we enable the OSPF. With this area, we enable the, and from the test machine, we cannot ping, but at least we can telnet to 20.20.21.1. 172.16.21 as well. So this will be now because this server has the route back to this guy. That is why the OSPF is working. So we fully tested the OSPF right now.